Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete photos on Terabox app, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete photos on your Terabox app, first open up a Terabox app on your phone, as I've already opened it over here. And after opening a Terabox app, guys, just below the search bar over here you can see the photos icon available for us. Tap on the photos icon over here, and all of the photos which you had uploaded or backed up on your Terabox app will be over here. Now you can see I had only backed up a few of the photos. Now in order to delete these photos, guys, you will be required to tap and hold on it, and the moment the tick mark at the bottom right corner of that photo which you want to delete appears, a bunch of icons of our options will be available for us at the bottom of the screen. And at the bottom right corner you can see the more button available for us. Tap on the more button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and there is the delete button available for us. So let's do that again. Let's go back and let's select the photos we want to delete. Tap on it, and when the blue tick mark appears at the bottom right, there are the options available for us at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the more button at the bottom right and tap on delete, and again tap on delete. Then those photos will be sent to the recycle bin and will be permanently deleted after 10 days of your deletion. And that being said, guys, tap on delete and all of the photos which you want to delete on Terabox app will be deleted on your phone. And then, guys, this is how to delete photos on Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.